Question 7. We will show that the points P of 1, 2, Q of 3, 4, and R of 0, -1 are the vertices of a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle means all three side lengths are different. First, let us place the 3 points and draw the triangle. We will use the distance formula. D equals the square root of open bracket x2 minus x1 close bracket squared plus open bracket y2 minus y1 close bracket squared. Let us find PQ. Now let us find QR. Finally, let us find our P. All three lengths are different, so triangle PQR is scalene. Question 8. Show that the points A of 2, 3, B of 8, 11, C of 0, 17, and D of -6, 9 are the vertices of a square. For a square, all four sides must be equal, and both diagonals must be equal. Let us place A, B, C, and D and draw the quadrilateral ABCD. We will first compute the four sides. Compute AB, compute BC, compute CD, compute DA. Now we compute the diagonals AC and BD and compare. All sides equal 10, and diagonals both equal the square root of 200, so the figure is a square. Question 9. Explain why the points A of -2, 0, B of 0, -3, C of 2, 0, and D of 0, 3 do determine a square or not. We will check the four sides, and then the two diagonals. Let us place the points A, B, C, and D and draw the shape ABCD. Compute all four sides. Compute AB, compute BC, compute CD, compute DA. Now compute the diagonals AC and BD. All sides are equal, but the diagonals are not equal. Therefore, the figure is a rhombus, not a square. Great work! We used the distance formula to classify a triangle as scalene, to prove 4 points form a square, and to explain why another set of points forms a rhombus but not a square. Practice by plotting and computing more sets of points on your own.